It's a video. So here we are at one of our Windsor projects. The dormer is up from before, and my guys are doing the roof right now. So we blow torching, because it's almost a flat roof there. It's 1 by 12, but water shield, ice drip, all that in. See, they're installing the J channel so we can put the soffit later on, the fascia, and they're doing the roof. Okay, you gotta come back and shingle this part too later. Back door needs to go in before the siding comes in, and we're good to go. Be moving. We can turn heat on soon. I love it. All right. As I said before, if you need some help in your Windsor projects, you need somebody to oversee the whole thing. Work with contractors because you don't know any, or you don't have the network here in Windsor. And give me a shout, DM me on this post. I'm on all social media. Real Estate Investor Sav. All one word, Real Estate Investor Sav. You can catch me on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and we'll get you sorted. If you want to be a flipper, you want to get in the game, but don't have the network, I'm your dude. Give me a shout. All right, talk to you.